In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot Service Hub. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what each core area is designed to help you accomplish. First, log into HubSpot. Head to your usual HubSpot login page and sign in securely. If your organization uses single sign-on, use that for a smoother, safer experience. If you have access to multiple accounts, double-check you're in the right portal so you're working with the correct data. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Next, access the Service Hub by hovering over the icon on the left side panel. As you move your cursor over the vertical menu, you'll see labels appear. Look for the service area and click it to open the service workspace. This panel is your gateway to everything related to customer support and success, neatly organized so you can move quickly between tools. Inside the Service Hub, you'll find the Help Desk. Think of it as mission control for customer requests. This is where emails, chats, and other inquiries are tracked as tickets. You can view ticket status, owners, priorities, and due dates at a glance. Use filters and views to focus on what needs attention right now and keep conversations tidy by adding internal notes, mentions, and attachments. Simple naming conventions and consistent categories will help your whole team stay aligned. You'll also see customer success tools. These help you track relationships beyond one-off issues, things like onboarding progress, renewals, or health indicators. Use this area to keep a pulse on account outcomes and to identify customers who may need proactive outreach. The more consistently you update outcomes and timelines, the more reliable your insights become. The Customer Agent Workspace is where frontline agents spend their day. Here they can quickly access assigned tickets, use saved replies, and stay on top of queues. Clear ownership rules and concise internal documentation go a long way toward faster resolutions and a better customer experience. Chat Flows lets you build live chat and simple bots to engage visitors in real time. Choose when and where the chat appears, set helpful greeting messages, and create guided paths for common questions. Keep it friendly and brief, and always offer a path to a human when needed. Feedback surveys enable you to collect NPS, CSAT, or effort scores. Short, well-timed surveys drive better response rates, and following up on feedback builds trust. Finally, check analytics for a clear picture of performance. Review ticket volume, response and resolution times, satisfaction trends, and channel effectiveness. Use date ranges and filters to spot patterns and inform process improvements. That's the core of using HubSpot Service Hub. Log in, open the service workspace, and make the most of help desk, customer success, agent tools, chat flows, feedback